Hello, crypto friends. This is Virginia from Desert View Studio. In this video, I put together 4 of my best tumbling tower blocks projects. They are very cute and useful items. And number 1, Trinket Box. In this project, I use brown tumbling blocks and I sand it down with the 60 grit sandpaper. It came out very cute, and this is the overview of the project. You can use the natural color blocks and leave it as is, or use the natural color and paint it and use any color of your choice. I think in my next projects, I probably go to use the natural colors and use the paint or stain it and see how it's come out. So yeah, it's really cute. And here's idea number 2, tissue holder box. In this project, I use 5 boxes of tumbling tower blocks, but there's some left over. And this is the overview. Again, you can use different color of paint and um, any type of stenciling or a freehand, some like writing, and use the cutout and glued it on the the size of the box on the box. It will still come out cute. I'm planning to make more in the future. Next one, I probably gonna uh paint it instead, or perhaps stain. Yeah, I want to try staining method and see how it's come out. By far, this is one of my favorite project. Idea number 3, jewelry box. This is another fun project to make. I bought these hinges from Home Depot, and all my projects I put them in the description box, and this is the overview. I made 2 boxes, one of which I stain it, and this one I leave in the natural color. It's really functional, and you can put a lot of the stuff in it, like knickknacks, art and craft supplies, anything you wish. It's very easy to make, doesn't take much time at all. Again, every project that I listed here is in the description box below. I hope you guys like it and give it a try and tell me how it's turned out. And also what else you do with the tumbling tower blocks from Dollar Tree. Idea number 4, candle box holder. This is one of my favorite too. So very easy to make. I bought the decorative piece from Hobby Lobby, and this is the candle that I have around the house. It's a little tall, but for the demonstration purposes, it's this box, it can be used as a multi-purposes. You can put the stuff inside. So here's all the pieces that I make. I hope you like this video and give it a try at home. And it's really fun, yeah. And I'm very happy with each product that I make. It come out very good, and it's functional, and it can be used to decorate the house. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.